Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 29th November 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you are true Raj Rishis and your duty is to do tapasya. It is only by doing tapasya that you children become worthy of worship. Question. Which effort makes you worthy of worship for all time? Answer. When you make effort to ignite the lights of souls and make tamopradhan souls satopradhan, you will become worthy of worship for all time. Those who are careless and make mistakes at this time will cry a lot. If you don't make effort to pass, you will experience punishment from Dharmaraj and you will not be worshipped. Those who have to experience punishment will not be able to raise their eyes. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Just as the father always gives happiness to his children, so you too must become bestowers of happiness. Show everyone the path to liberation and liberation in life. Number 2. Do tapasya to become soul conscious. Become unlimited renunciates of this dirty old world. Blessing for today. May you have pure and positive thoughts for all, and remain faithful by being aware of each one's speciality, and creating a united gathering in one direction. Details are: according to the drama, each one of you has definitely received one speciality or another. So use that speciality and see the specialities of others. Be faithful to one another and the motives behind what they say will change. When you see the specialities of each one, then, although you are many, you will all be seen to be in unity and the gathering will be united in one direction. When someone tells you something defamatory about another, then, instead of supporting that one, transform the form of the one who is telling you that, and you will be said to be one who has pure and positive thoughts for others. Slogan is: the treasure of elevated thoughts is the basis of your Brahman life and of having an elevated reward. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Increase the practice of the bodiless stage, Ashriri and Videhi. If you do not practice becoming bodiless in a second, the final moments will then be spent battling, and whatever you are weak in, whether it is your nature, in your having relationships with others, in your thought power, attitude, or being influenced by the atmosphere, whatever you are weak in, Maya will then test you in that particular thing in the last paper. Therefore, the practice of being bodiless is most essential.